Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video because I really can't stop wearing these. I can't stop talking about them. I've asked you guys on Instagram and here on YouTube if you would want to see a swatch video of these lipsticks, and the majority of you guys really wanted to see it. So I'm going to be swatching the new Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lipsticks. I did receive this in PR, and I get a lot of makeup in the mail, which I'm so grateful for. It allows me to try so many new products for you guys, and this was a product that as soon as I opened it and swatched it, I actually put one on my lips and I was like, oh my goodness, you're kidding me. The formula was just immediately something that I really loved. It's such a unique formula. I immediately became obsessed. I can't stop wearing these. They come with me in my purse. I had to go collect them from all my purses because they're seriously such a go-to for me on an everyday basis. So I thought, why not do a little lip swatch video so you guys can see the color range if you're interested in picking one of these up. At the end, I will share with you guys some of my personal favorites. So these retail for $26. I know that is very high. It's a high-end lipstick. However, I personally feel like these lipsticks are really worth the investment. Of course, you don't need all the shades. There are 14 shades, but I would recommend if you're near Sephora, swatching them, trying them on, and seeing what I'm talking about, because I don't know if you can tell just by the lip color I'm wearing right now. It is so extremely pigmented, but it feels like a lip balm, which is so important to me. I feel like during the winter months especially, I don't want anything that's going to be too drying on the lips, and sometimes lip glosses can feel a little bit gloopy and sticky. This does not feel like that. You get the pigment of a lipstick, but you get the feel of a lip balm. That's why I've been loving them for every day. So I really am excited about these lipsticks, if you can't tell, you guys. So here is the PR box that they sent me. It's really cute. It's like a little game in here, and you're supposed to spin the wheel or whatever, but I'm just gonna take this top part out so you can see. Here is the full range. I really do love the color selection that they created with this, because you have bold colors, but you also have a lot of neutral shades, which I personally wear the most. So I appreciate how they have a lot of mauves and nudes in here, because I feel like that's truly what most people wear on a daily basis. So anyways, I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm going to be swatching all 14 shades on my lips, and then at the end, I'm going to share with you my personal favorites. So let's get into the swatches. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed those swatches. I really love so many of these colors, but since these are pricey, I really want to just tell you guys my top 3 maybe? Let's do top 4, okay? 5. I'm terrible. Okay, I will tell you the 3 that I wear the most, and they are the 3 nude shades. Lychee Baby, Hippie Shake, and Juicy Date. These three are the ones that I usually have in my purses just because all three of them are very, very wearable for every day. Lychee Baby is one of my favorites for wearing on top of like a lip liner. That's the other thing, you guys. The whole time you saw me swatch these, I did not wear a lip liner. If you want a more precise edge, you could definitely layer them on top of a lipstick or a lip liner. Since Lychee Baby is a little bit more nude than what I personally like, I do wear this with a lip liner, and I feel like that's just extra flattering for me. The other two I will wear on their own. I think those are absolutely gorgeous. The one that I'm wearing right now is In a Jam. I don't know what it is about purpley colors, but I absolutely love them. This is not a color that I would wear if my hair was down. That's something to take note of. Since they're not a matte liquid lipstick, they can transfer, so that's just something to keep in mind. So I would definitely pull your hair up if you're gonna wear one of these bold colors just in case. And I think the next favorite of mine is Give a Fig. I really, really like this one as well. As you can see, I'm into the more purples and nudes. The bold colors are really, really fun, especially moving into spring. I feel like I'm gonna get some use out of the brighter pink shades in here. I think they're so much fun. But anyways, I hope you guys found this lip swatch video helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite shade was. Keep in mind as well, lip colors look different on different skin tones, and so this is just meant to be helpful for you guys, but keep that in mind as you're shopping around. And let me know if you guys have picked these up yet. Let me know if you've tried them and if you love them as much as I do. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments down below. I hope you all have an amazing day. Thank you so much for always coming back to my channel and for watching my videos. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie. I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, you can go ahead and click on the bell and you'll be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I post my videos. I feel so pretty in this lip color. I love it so much. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye!